we shot this Flamingo video in Nalsarovar. We were lucky to observe and see the parade. A lesser Flamingo parade is a spectacular courtship display where flocks of lesser flamingos gather and perform synchronized movements in the wetlands to attract their mates. It is a key part of their breeding cycle, and these events are a major draw for bird watchers like us, especially during the Flamingo migration season. The parade is not a literal parade but a courtship ritual, with a bird forming peer groups to engage in synchronizing displays. During the display, they may fly down to the wetland and perform synchronized movements as they try to attract their partner. This display marks the end of the migration season and the precursor to the flamingo heading to their breeding grounds. That's why they enjoy this parade as well as the bird watchers. Thank you.